This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 110. Freedom is a biological state. What a regulated nervous system actually does. Freedom is often described as independence, or opportunity, or choice. But biologically, freedom means flexibility. A regulated nervous system is not locked into one survival response. It can shift from focus to rest, from caution to exploration, from effort to connection. Protection is still available when needed, but it no longer dominates everything. Energy circulates. Attention widens. Curiosity guides behavior. This flexibility allows life to expand. The organism is no longer organizing around staying safe. It is organizing around living. Freedom is not only external, it is a biological state. Next episode: why progress after survival is rarely linear. Thank you.